So this screen recording gives you an idea of the type of custom-built solutions that we create for our clients. This solution was built for Repsol. Every 2 weeks, they need to plan up to 100 helicopter movements for an onshore asset, transporting both people and cargo to production locations. We developed an AI algorithm that maximizes the number of logistics requests for a minimum amount of flying hours, thereby minimizing OPEX and emissions. Compared to manual plans, the AI-assisted plans lead to 15 to 20% lower flying hours, which saves Repsol several $1 million per year. The user interface gives planners access to the algorithm and the results. It allows them to make plans and compare plans. The user interface has two key components: one central panel, in which results for a plan are displayed, and a left-hand menu that has the user controls. Let me give you a short tour. So in the left-hand menu, users can define new plans. For example, make a new plan called test. They can then easily upload a set of logistics requests, which is a download from SAP. I'll show you here. Typical SAP downloads, with IDs and descriptions. The users can just drag and drop this. And you see here, the number of request sets have been uploaded, in this case, attached to this test plan. Then they can set priorities, in this case, priorities by business segment, for example, maintenance operations and production engineering, production operations, give a high priority as well, and certain location priorities. They can also set an execution flexibility, i.e. allowing the algorithm to plan with some flexibility around the preferred start dates. The more flexibility, the higher chance that the AI algorithm can come up with an optimized plan. And finally, they can define a maintenance window for the helicopter during which it won't be available. And then it's simply a matter of computing a plan, which takes, in this case, about 5 minutes or so to be completed. Completed plans can be visualized in the central panel. In this solution, we provide a plot that shows the number of trips to each location, both for the full 14 days, as well as on a daily basis. Key metrics show a summary of the plan and are easy for comparison of plans. So you can easily switch between plans and look at how those plans vary in terms of key metrics such as efficiency of packing the helicopter, total cost, percentage of requests planned, and total number of trips. And the user can look at plans in more detail. For example, look at the efficiency per day, number of trips per day, people or cargo transported. They can also look at the flight plan in more detail and export that. And exporting is simply a click of a button and it gives them a zip file that allows them to upload it back into SAP if they want to, or inspect it manually. So this is just an example of one of the custom-built solutions that we've made to help complex planning decisions, and in this case with immediate return on investment for this particular client.